Hello, in this video we will show you how to configure recording settings in your AREC Media Station. Log in to the administrator webpage with your credentials. Then go to Video, Recording. On the top of the page are the recording encoder settings. Here you can choose between the three different options: off to disable recording, and before mixed video to record only the mixed video or the program video, or and before mixed video plus original sources. This will record the mixed video and each active video channel as separate video files. Next, you can choose the video compression. There are 6 predefined compression profiles from Full HD to Mobile SD. You can also define each parameter manually by choosing User Define, which will enable a new button. Click on it to get access to the different settings that you can do for resolution, bitrate, frame rate, and others. It's important to notice that the encoding of the recording and the streaming profiles can be set up independently, so it is possible to stream in a lower resolution but maintain a higher quality for the recorded videos. Then we have the Record to USB drop-down menu. Here you can choose Record to USB if you want the video to be saved only on a USB drive connected to the front panel of the media station and not to the primary storage. Copy to USB, the recordings will be copied to the USB drive connected to the front panel of the station after it is saved to the primary storage. And off to disable both functions. Finally, the loop recording setting enables the media station to erase the oldest recorded video or videos to make space for new recordings. After that, there are 3 more available settings. For bookmarks, we can choose to add them automatically each time there is a change made to the video layout during a recording. We can also add a prefix to the file name of all the recorded videos on this media station. Lastly, audio shift allows us to determine the delay of audio relative to video in microseconds. Use these settings to synchronize audio and video sources and achieve lip sync. And that is all you have to do to configure recording on your AREC Media Station. For more training videos, visit our YouTube channel ADENA channel and our website www.a-dena.com.